Hello, I'm Nick Hobden, partner and head of the employment team at Thompson Son and Passmore, and today I'm joined by Ben Stepney, who is a partner in the team. And today we're going to talk about the advice line service that we offer our employment clients. So, Ben, can I ask firstly, if our business clients need to know in advance what they're likely to spend on external employment law advice, how can Thompson Son and Passmore's employment team assist here?
Well, we do provide a employment advice service which allows our clients to know exactly how much they're going to spend on external legal advice in advance. We provide a quote that will give you a cost for a 12-month period, and it allows clients to approach us for advice by email or telephone as much as they need to, knowing that the cost is going to be fixed for that 12-month term. So no fee estimates, no hourly rates, and no unexpected overruns.
Sounds great. So what do they get for their money then?
So you will get access to our employment team. Our employment team is all full of qualified solicitors, and we can provide advice by telephone, by email, as desired. Each client will have a point of contact, a relationship solicitor, who will get to know them and their business, but also you have access to other members of the team if the primary contacts, say on holiday for example, or not available.
Okay, and so what's the cost of that service?
Okay, well the cost, as I say, is fixed for a 12-month term, and it will vary depending upon the size of the business and how much you anticipate you'll need to use the advice service. For any clients who are interested in signing up to the advice service, we would go out and visit them, get to know their requirements, their business, and then can provide a fee quote for them to review. And that's something we would do free of any charge. As for what they get in the advice service, we offer 3 different packages. We offer a silver package, a gold package, and a platinum package. And what those packages cover varies depending upon what the clients need. For example, the silver package will provide telephone, email advice provided by one of our qualified solicitors, and also the provision of template correspondence, for example, a disciplinary invitation letter. Whereas the platinum package includes more items, and we would include advice on projects like redundancy or restructuring projects, as well as dealing with difficult and protracted disciplinary and grievance matters.
Thank you, Ben, that's very helpful. Why is it important, do you think, for employers to have external legal advisors on hand?
Well, employment law is always changing, and it can be tricky to keep on top of it. And if a business gets employment law wrong or strays into non-compliance, it can be very time-consuming and sometimes costly to try to rectify that. So by having our solicitors on hand as part of our employment advice service, employers know they can get in touch with us for a second opinion, peace of mind, or a sounding board when dealing with any tricky employee relations issues. And hopefully by taking our advice, we can help them to nip any issues in the bud before they escalate into something much more tricky.
Thank you for that. Now, what about employment tribunal claims? Are they covered by the legal advice service?
Well, ordinarily the claim wouldn't cover employment tribunal claims that have been received, but what we can offer alongside our advice service is employment tribunal protection insurance. So this is provided by a third-party insurer who we've worked with for a long time, and can provide cover for representation and also the costs of any compensation or settlement that results in that employment tribunal claim. And one of the advantages of that insurance is that it does allow the client to continue to use us in defending that claim.
So they get the benefit of our advice right the way through, from the initial problem arising to potentially the employment tribunal claim, with the insurance package kicking in at that stage. Is that right?
That's right. So when the insurance package kicks in following a receipt of the ACAS early notification conciliation, then legal costs and any compensation or settlement is covered under the insurance policy. And of course, if the client's taken our advice under the advice service beforehand, then we'll already be familiar with the circumstances that have led to the claim.
Great. Okay, thank you very much. And finally, how do they get more details of this?
Clients or those interested are welcome to get in touch with a member of the employment team or can submit an inquiry through the Thompson Son and Passmore website.
Thank you very much, Ben.